We're welding another 2x2 on top so that we can have a little overhang and put the insulated panels up there with a little airspace over top of it. Got enough paneling. Got enough of this paneling to go on the roof as well. Being creative, we got the welder hanging because we ain't got any lead length. So get long leads so you don't have to deal with that. Getting them all lined up. A little overhang. Make it look good. Here's some rod. There he is, getting her done. Finally. We had to pull out a real welder for the job. Now he's ready to rock. I hope you enjoyed. Please continue to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. We're getting closer. We got them all welded up. A little overhang. Should look nice. Should work to put the insulation in on the roof.